Alrighty, Jordan, here's your 582 Airboat engine. Give you kind of a description of it. It's got a set of our As Cast heads on it. Got the Holley manifold. Got your elbow on it. Custom grind hydraulic roller. We've got the custom Stefs oil pan. Obviously, it is a coil-on plug. And we've got your ECU wiring to go underneath your seat. Got it all run and stuff. Make sure it's correct. Stay tuned. We'll make a run. Okie doke, 3,400, 702 foot-pounds of torque, peaks torque 741, peaks horsepower 728. So runs good and flat up there. We'll show you a couple things here. When you see if your engine, find this thing looks like a credit card. It's a USB card. It is full of technical information. Highly recommend watching it. In the crate will be this engine spec sheet. It'll have some criteria on it that we highly recommend that you read. Other than that, have a great day.